Hello and welcome back to episode 2 of Mini Podcast. So this podcast is all about the factories of 2050, fully automated or a myth. Alright, Mumuksha from 2050. So today we are talking about the future of factories. So will robot takes our over completely, or will human be left watching Netflix while machines do all the work? Or is full automation just a tech bro fantasy? Oh, 2025 me. How when that you still think humans are running factories? Wait, what? You mean factories don't need humans anymore? That's right. IoT, AI, and robots handling everything. So humans are no longer needed on factory floors. Moksha, machines handling everything now. And from production to quality checks, the only humans on site is the security guard, who is also a robot. But who yes get back to work at machines? Okay. But what about the workers? Where do they go? So Moksha, I'm going to give you a list of the screens that shows jobs that no longer exist in 2050. Forklift drivers. So they say that they're replaced by AI forklifts that never crash unless they have Monday updates or whatever they say. Assembly line workers. So machines are faster and they don't call in sick, except for when they do, then IT fix them. Then we have factory supervisors. So robots supervises themselves, HR complaints and they sends them to other robots. Yeah. Great. Now even robots are unemployed. Relax, Mamuksha. We just have new jobs now. So AI system managers, because even robots need IT support. Cybersecurity for factories. Hackers love smart factories and we don't, obviously. Robot therapists. So because robots have stress circuits now. Wait, are you telling me that someone actually gets paid to ask a depressed robot about its feelings? You know what, Moksha? Mental health matters, even for AI. Okay, so humans aren't completely useless, but what do we do to stay relevant? Okay, Moksha, now I'll give you a list of solutions. So start learning AI tools that will help you. Some say robots aren't taking jobs. People who use robots are. Develop problem solving skill because machines still need humans to fix their mistakes. Get more creative. Suppose AI is fast, but it's still stuck at original ideas. Yeah, no thanks. I'll keep my job. The future isn't coming, it's already here. So start upgrading your skills before robots do it for you. So guys, subscribe if you don't want robots taking your jobs next, and tag a friend who thinks automation is a myth.